First item that I got from my monthly subscription beauty box. It's a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This is how it looks like, guys. I'm so excited about this. It says sleeping mask, recovery sleeping mask. Second items, beautiful brushes, beautiful set of brushes, 5 pieces deluxe eye kit. This is how it looks like, guys. It's so pretty. I'm excited with that. And yeah. And the third items is the Violet Voss Essentials Fruit Series Eyeshadow Palette. It's a pretty packaging. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. How many shades is that? I don't know. Too lazy to count it. But this is how it looks like. Eyeshadow, pretty colors, and beautiful packaging too. And also I got 2 more items. I don't know what is this little, might be dollar brows, the micro brow pen. So this is a brow pen. I like the packaging, cute. And this is, I'm interested, I'm excited. This Hank and Henry black eyeliner. So we're gonna try it soon. We'll see if I kinda like it. Yeah, so that's it. Hello everyone. Before I'm gonna start this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new videos. Okay, onto these videos, I'll be doing my monthly subscription beauty box. At the same time, I'm gonna try on the items that I got for this month. And if you don't know, guys, BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription beauty box for $21 every month. Okay, first item that I'm gonna try on is this, the microblade effect brow pen. This is how it look like, guys. That's how it look like. And this is for eyebrows. Oh my god, I never have one something like this. I never have something like this, guys. It's so like the tip is like, I don't know how to explain it, but whatever, I never have one, so it's gonna be new for me, and we'll see. Let's try it on to our eyebrows. This is how it's look like, guys. So I don't know how to use this. We'll see. Good luck. So this is the first item, guys, so we'll see and try it on. So yan, guys, yung mantura niya. I don't know how to use this, guys. I'm sorry, I don't know how to use this. Oh my god, is it like this one? I don't know. So ew, it has a cool effect. I don't know how to use this. Maybe I can use like that. And I don't know what color is this. Oh my god. Can you see it, guys? Ginanyan ko lang siya and try na natin na i-fill. Yan. So, fill out na natin yung rest. So this is how it's look like, guys, like that. See, like that. This is how it's look like on my eyebrows. And the other side. So yun, guys, this is like that. See that? So I don't know how to use it. So we're done with the right eyebrows. So I'm gonna fill out my left eyebrows and off the camera, and I'll be back. So okay, guys, I'm done with my eyebrows, and let's move on to the second items that I got from my monthly subscription beauty pass. So we're gonna try this eyeshadow, and this is how it's look like. That pretty color. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna play with it, put it on my eyelid. And third items that we're gonna try on is this brush, 5 pieces of brush. So I'm just gonna use it to my so I'm just gonna use it for the eyeshadow, and we'll see if how I'm gonna make my eyeshadow, guys. I don't know how to do eyeshadow. Susubukan na natin, guys. Good luck. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna apply it like that. Oh, that's so beautiful color. I love it. So this is how it looks like. Ooh, that pretty color is so pretty. So next, I'm gonna use this pointy brush. You call it this one. Just gonna use this, guys. That I'm gonna try this one for my eyelid. There. Oh, I don't know. So this is how it look like, guys. Ayun na. Yan na yung eyeshadow natin. Oh my god. Let's move on to the next color. So this is the third brush that we're gonna use for the next eyeshadow. And I'm using this pink. This one. So let's use that to right here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Pretty color. So guys, this is how it look like the eyeshadow, but shiny. So let's move on and do the other side. I love the brush. The brush is so soft. Alright. And next, we're gonna use this pointy brush. And then we're gonna use this brown over here. Next, we're gonna use this beautiful brush, so soft, and we're gonna use this pink one, the one. Oh my god, it's so big. Beautiful color. So guys, ayan, tapos na tayo sa eyeshadow. Let's move on to the next items. So next items guys is this Hank and Henry black eyeliner. I'm excited with this. This is how it looks like. Yan. And when you open it, this is how it looks. Oh, that's so thin. I like that. So this is how it's look like guys, and let's move on to the other side. Alright guys, this is how my look now. So doing my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and my liquid eyeliner. And the one product that I haven't tried on this video is this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So this is a sleeping mask. I'm excited with this. Probably I'm gonna give a try tonight before I go to bed. And I love the eyeshadow. This is pretty eyeshadow, and also I love the brushes. The brushes is so soft, very soft. If you like blend it to your eyelid, it's like really soft. I love these brushes. And also the products that I excited to is this liquid eyeliner, the black liquid, the pen, whatever you call it, I don't know. The liquid eyeliner, it's really soft when you apply it in your eyelid. This is the product that I'm excited to. And also the only thing that I don't like is this this one, the microblade effect eyebrow, the microblade effect brow pen. I don't like it because I don't know, maybe I just never used something like this and I don't know how to apply it yet. Maybe I'm gonna play with it more often so that I can get used to it to use this one. But yeah, this is kind of not me. I don't know, I never use it and I don't know how to use it, so I'm gonna play with it so that I can so that I know how to use this microblade effect brow pen. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.